Let me say this up front. I'm a Dave Chappelle fan. I've always been a Dave Chappelle fan. And if you're sober, really sober, and a Dave Chappelle fan, the Unstoppable special hits different. Not because it's funny, not because it's controversial. It is all of the above, but it's also because underneath it all, it's a lesson in power, ego, restraint, and consequence. And that's recovery. Dave opens the special talking about how something feels off in this world. Confusion, noise, everybody guessing, everybody claiming they know what's going on. And when I heard that, I really thought about early sobriety. Because that's how we live before we get clean. Everything feels off. Our minds are loud. We're trying to solve the whole world instead of fixing ourselves. And one of the most sober lines in the whole special is when Dave basically says, if you don't know, just say you don't know. That's recovery wisdom right there, good people. Certainty obsession keeps addicts anxious, and anxiety sends us back to our old escapes. Sobriety teaches you how to sit not knowing and still stay clean. Then Dave drops the line that shook people. I'm a capitalist. No excuses, no image protection, just honesty. And listen, if you don't have to agree with him. But as a sober person, you should respect clarity. You should respect honesty. Addiction thrives in denial. Sobriety thrives in truth. You don't stay clean pretending to be who you used to be. You stay clean by telling the truth about who you are right now. And then came the environment conversation. Strip away the noise, and what Dave is really saying is, I go where I can operate. And every recovering sober alcoholic knows this lesson the hard way. Willpower doesn't keep you sober, but environment does. You can't heal in rooms that reward dysfunction. You can't grow where your boundaries are mocked. You don't stay clean in places that normalize relapse. And I say that because that's not weakness, that's wisdom. And then he had that Falcon story. And if you're sober and you think about it, that joke isn't just funny, it's also terrifying. The Falcon wasn't evil, it wasn't broken, it did exactly what it was trained to do once the hood came off. And that's addiction. Take the cap off, good people. Take the first drink. Remove restraint. And instinct takes over. Sobriety is learning to keep the hood on, even when you know that you could take it off. Not because you're scared, but because you're disciplined. And then there's the Jack Johnson story that Dave walks into. A man with talent, audacity, power, and zero restraint. Jack Johnson didn't lose because he was weak. He lost because he believed consequences didn't apply to him. That's ego relapse. And addicts don't just relapse on substances. We relapse on entitlement, sex, control, thinking we're different. Sobriety reframes freedom. Freedom isn't doing whatever you want. Freedom is doing what you want, what won't destroy you later. And then Dave tells the addiction stories. Charlie Barnett, drugs, brilliance, AIDS. And that part, if the earlier parts didn't sober you up, that part should sober you up immediately. Talent didn't save him. Intelligence didn't save him. Being loved didn't save him. Sobriety beats brilliance every time. You don't outsmart addiction. You outlast it with humility, structure, God, and help. And then there's the Stevie Wonder moment. Dave listens, even when he doesn't want to, even when it's convenient. That's recovery, good people. Sponsors, mentors, accountability. Listening when your ego wants control. Sobriety works when you stop arguing with wisdom. And finally, last but not least, as far as I'm concerned, Dave closes with fear, not of being canceled, but of being used. And that's the real warning. Sobriety isn't just about staying clean. It's about staying true. Because relapse doesn't always start with a drink. It starts with compromise, drift, ego. So here's the takeaway, good people. Don't be unstoppable in your ego. Be unstoppable in your discipline. Unstoppable in meetings. Unstoppable in prayer. Unstoppable in honesty. Unstoppable in protecting your peace. That's real power. That's sobriety. And that's how I stay sober, one day at a time. Peace.